Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will see how to create automated emails in TagMango Free Account. The pre-requirements are, the first one is you should have one Mango created there. There you should collect the customers details. That Mango may be whether it may be a free or paid. Let us assume the Mango or Codes or any membership has at least has some students like 10 or 20. That is the primary condition. So this is my dashboard. In the left side of this dashboard we have mangoes. So these are my courses, free version, so I don't have any customers. So if you see here, I have different types of customers in my paid version, including US, India, right? So let us see in the free account, because we are a free member. Moreover, I am projecting these videos considering free users. So friends, here in the marketing we have broadcast. See here, all are enabled for me in the white label, but in these free things some are disabled. Let us go for broadcast. So friends, here create some broadcast. We have different types of broadcast. Email broadcast, everybody knows. WhatsApp broadcast, everybody knows. This notification is if you have any app, then only you can do this notification broadcast. In free account it is not possible because you don't get any app, but in my paid version I can do this. So friends, create one email broadcast, enter title of the email. We can also select these email things not only from existing members but also from outside, like CSV file. We can also do that one. We have collection of users from outside community. So let us select this one. We are focusing on this one, right? Again, you can also invite some other users. You can do a number of mangoes or even one thing. If you want to exclude that also, you can do it is a mutual customers. Then I want to send this email on 31st and different timing. So that is also possible. So I'm selecting that one, right? Continue. So friends, if you observe, right, there are no recipient it is showing. So that's why it is not allowing me to the email broadcast in this free account. It is mandatory to have at least one customer in the mangoes. So friends, if you see here, I have one customer here, free workshop. Let us try this one. Yes, now it is allowing. Said we have title, that is email subject. If you want, you can also edit this one here from here. So then do this body and everything you can do. So this is the formatting things here. So you can also see mobile version, desktop version, and alignment. Everything is there. Just check this one and see here. Here also it is showing in the bottom. In the preview also it is showing everything is available. There's also tablet also showing. Save here or send test mail. You can also do the send test mail. So give your own email ID and check how it is appearing, then continue, confirm. So email broadcast successfully scheduled. See here friends, we have this one, title of the email. If you want, you can view this content. So this is the body of the content. If you want, make some duplicate design or copy for upcoming mails, you can also do that one. Unschedule, you can also do that one. If you want to edit, you can also edit. Finally, delete. So very simple, right? All options are available in this free account of TagMango. Entire month or entire year, you can plan for your customers. Apart from this automation, there is a default automation of TagMango that I will show you right now. So in the automation, friends, in the left side, we have this email automation. See here, friends, after confirmation of email, it will be enabled by default. Here, you can edit the template, give your content, and save this one. After each confirmation purchase, that email will go to them. If you want to send different content for different programs, that also possible. You can edit the each course or each membership. So let us see some examples here. We have L1 course. So I will delete this one. Friends, I'm giving some content. Thank you for joining L1 course, and I will give some more contents and some links and everything. And save this one. So friends, if you see here, my L1 course, so it is showing custom template is being used. It means my own template I am using here. So like this, you can edit the each template. So after each and every purchase, it will goes. If you want to send some email automation, any purchase drop off, you can enable this one and edit the template. File purchase similarly like this. So we have some default email schedules, right? So before 24 hours, we have enabled 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Even post workshop also we can enable this one. That you should ensure. So for each and every template before 24 hours, you can edit the template. What I have shown like this, you can do some testing. So these are the automation, complete automation available here in these things. So just check this automation tab for email automation. You will get to know a lot of things. So friends, I have discussed both things, how to set manual and how to do the default automation in TagMango Free Account. If you like the content, please give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.